today's video, I will be doing a closet declutter. I was gonna do the trying on all of my clothes video, but when I started filming that, like, trinay on ko lahat ng sleeveless tops ko and napagod ako. So, feeling ko hindi ko matatapos yung video na yun gawin kasi nakakatamad. So, I'm just gonna do a plain old closet declutter. I'm gonna put everything on my bed, but before that, I will get a snack because I feel like this is gonna take a long time. So yeah, BRB, I'll get the snack and then we'll start. I'm back. I made grilled cheese with banana pancake na nag-fail. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat this. This is like my go-to snack lately because I'm trying to be healthy but kinda not healthy. But yeah, whatever. Okay. This is actually really good. Can you see that? This is the pile I have right now. That's all of my hung clothes. I forgot to show you like a glimpse of my closet, but that doesn't matter anymore. After na lang. And yeah, I have a lot more to go. I'm just putting everything here. So these are my clothes right now. Yung ibang clothes ko nandun sa laundry, but it means I just use them. So these are the clothes I probably don't use anymore. Basta, we'll check everything out. Okay, so this is how my closet looks like right now. So, may mga random things lang ako dito. I still have tops here. These are my tube tops, which I'm not gonna get rid of anyway. So, dyan na lang yun. Underwear. I have socks and headbands here. I have some makeup bags and yung alkansya ko nandito din. So, ayan. These are all of my clothes right now that I have that's clean. Yung iba nasa laundry. So I have bottoms there. You can't really see, but it's a big pile of clothing. I'm gonna try to push everything. Okay. I don't even know where to sit anymore. Sorry if you hear a noise. It's my electric fan kasi I can't turn it off because super init. Pinapawisan na ako kahit may electric fan. And I can't open my aircon because mas maingay yung aircon ko. So, ayun. I guess I'm gonna start off with my t-shirts na naka-fold kasi ito yung mga t-shirts na pang workout ko or pang tulog ko, pang bahay, ganon. I just have here my favorite shirt. It's from a benefit event. This is the Brow Game Strong event that we had. I have a lot of school shirts. So, yung sa high school shirts ko, I have here. Ito yung mga pinapangtulog ko at night because they're just nice and baggy. So, I'm gonna keep my t-shirts na ganito kasi I use them almost every day. Kasi nga, ito yung mga pangtulog and pangbahay ko. And I think ito pa lang yung mga shirts na ganito. Yung iba nasa labahan. Wait, I'm gonna put them back on my closet. Where is my phone, by the way? Okay, I can't find my phone. I think it's under this pile of clothes, so I definitely have to do this now. I have this like coat that I'm gonna give to my sister, so I'm gonna remove this definitely because I don't need this. I don't travel a lot. I'm gonna be keeping this instead. It's a like a caramel color, and yeah, I feel like I'd like this more because it's a more girly color. I'm gonna put 3 piles, 2 piles. I'm gonna have a keep pile and a sell pile. I'm gonna start off with my denim pants. I feel like I need this because I don't know what the exact I don't know the exact dress code for our school. I know my uniforms kami, pero do I need denim jeans? I feel like it's a staple, so I need to keep all of these probably. Okay. I'm definitely gonna keep this one. This is my favorite sports top right now. It's like a really nice crop top. I feel like I can wear this even though I'm not working out. I do have some other shirts na pang workout, so I'm gonna keep these. I like these pants more kasi these are like mom jeans instead of my what do you call this? Yung mga pants na skinny jeans. So I don't know. I'm gonna put this in a maybe pile because I have lighter jeans naman, na mom jeans. I don't wear this as much. I'm gonna put this in maybe. And I'm gonna keep both of these. More workout tops. These workout tops I actually fold because mauubusan ako ng hanger kapag hinang ko pa to. So most of these I'm gonna keep yung mga donate and sell pile. Yung mga hindi ko keep basically nandun sa side na yun, which I'll show you later. Okay, I think we're in skirts now. This is actually my favorite skirt. This is from Cotton On, I think. Another favorite skirt of mine is this one from Forever 21. I miss using these, but I don't go out because of quarantine. I just love skirts. I wear this all the time in school. Pero kasi, since I'm graduating college na, I'm gonna go to med school and I feel like I won't have time to wear these, but I'm still gonna keep them for weekends, I guess. Gusto ko mag-downsize ng closet ko kasi I am going to med school and I feel like I won't need a lot of clothes anymore, unlike when I'm in college. Ang dami kong sinusuot na iba't ibang clothes every day because we don't have uniform. So in college, we don't have uniform, so like lahat to nasusuot ko talaga. Pero since I'm going to med school in a few months, I'm gonna have uniform. So feeling ko hindi ko naman masusuot lahat ng clothes na to. So ayun, I need to get rid of some. I'm keeping a lot of skirts. I think I'm gonna give this away. This is one of my favorite skirts, but it doesn't really fit me anymore. This is from Brgy. More skirts. I think I'm not gonna keep this anymore. This is my progress so far. Ito yung mga pangbahay kong shirts, workout tops, leggings, and joggers, skirts that I'm keeping, denim jeans, and then ito yung mga sleeveless tops ko and short sleeve tops. And then I'm gonna put here the dresses, jackets, and all that stuff. That's my to-go pile. This is the things I need to go through, and this is my maybe pile. Okay, so it's super hot. I'm sweating, and I thought this was gonna be a fast video, but ang dami kong clothes talaga, and ang hirap mag-let go ng mga clothes. Okay, I feel like I'm halfway done. It's so hot talaga. I feel like I just want to take a break first. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the to-go pile. I feel like it's not that good, but considering I did declutter like 5 months ago, it's okay. And yeah, okay, I'm so tired. Wait lang, I'll show you. So this is my to-go pile. It just has some tank tops, shorts, some of my pants, dresses, skirts, and all that. A lot of skirts. I just have my workout shorts here. Some other pants that I forgot to sort out. And then, ito pa yung mga dresses. I think mostly dresses and jackets na lang to. Some t-shirts there that I need to go through again. This is the current situation of my closet. Malinis na siya. I still have hangers here that I have to put clothes on. And ito yung mga clothes na tatanggalin ko na sa closet ko. I'm gonna let my siblings pick if they want anything. So, ayan. And then, ito yung mga clothes na ikikeep ko. So, I need to hang this pa. So, I have this bag that I'm gonna put clothes na kailangan ko ayusin. Yung mga kailangan ng repair. Like these pants, this top, and this dress. Ayan, konti lang naman yan. So, dito ko sila ilalagay. And then, I also have bags that I don't want to keep anymore. All of the bags and clothes na hindi ko na gusto, ilalagay ko dito. So, kasala na dito yung mga clothes na declutter ko noong December.